Oh, okay.
Bin. Smells good. Hi guys, it's Siana and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a brief summary of my wash day routine as well as reviewing the products that I spoke about in my last video. If you haven't seen it already, I'm going to link it right here and also in the description box down below. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first product that I used as a pre-poo treatment was the Aunty Jackie's Not On My Watch Detangling Therapy. This product was amazing, like amazing. I have never used a detangler before, believe it or not. It sounds absolutely crazy considering the fact that I've been natural for years. However, this is a game changer. The slip is great. So the way how it made my hair so soft and sleek, like not one single knot remained. Just made the whole washing process much easier. And it was only $4.99, so I'm definitely keeping this on my radar. Like, I'm going to be using it every single time I'm either taking out a protective style or before each wash. So if you haven't got it, guys, put it on your list. So I've detangled it, it's nice and soft, and it's time to actually get washing. In the last video, I spoke about the main choice. This was the Easy on the Curls detangling shampoo. Oh my God. This is really worth the money. Ronsil. It does exactly what it says on the bottle. It's not even a joke. I have never washed my hair with a shampoo and it was actually soft. My curls were bouncy. There was hardly any knots. Like, this shampoo is actually lit. In it, it's got chamomile, which is good for like dandruff. It's got clary sage. It's got lavender, rosemary.
Oh, okay.
It's also got horsetail extract. That's really good for hair growth, actually. Listen, definitely worth the buck. I will 100% be using this from now on. After the first shampoo, I went in with an ACV rinse. Now, for those of you who don't know, ACV stands for apple cider vinegar. The reason why I rinsed with apple cider vinegar is because my hair is low porosity. Therefore, the cuticles stay closed and it tends to have a lot of buildup of product on it. So in order to go in with a fresh scalp, fresh strands, I wanted to make sure I was doing a clarifying wash. Right after that, I went back in with a second shampoo and my hair felt incredible. Now, ACV is known to strip your hair of the moisture and make your strands very straw-like, but actually, I had none of that. The shampoo was fantastic. After the second shampoo, I went in with the main choice detangling conditioner. Now, for a conditioner, I'm expecting my hair to feel super soft and sleeky, bouncy, real moisturized, especially when covering my hair with a plastic cap to generate natural heat and deep condition my strands. After rinsing out this conditioner, my hair felt like hay. It was ridiculous. I mean, it's supposed to have avocado oil, aloe vera juice, castor seed oil, marshmallow root. Do you know what? What it says is in here, I expected a lot better. I didn't get what I bargained for, and it did not do what it says on the tin. And for that reason, bin. Okay, so after conditioning and rinsing out my hair, I towel dried it, and now it's the process of putting back in the moisture, sealing it in, putting it in a protective style, and ensuring that my strands are good. So I went in with the Camille Rose Coconut Water Leave-In Conditioner. Now, this leave-in conditioner actually feels really nice. It's nice and thick. It actually smells good. It feels nice on my hair. But to be fair, after using this now for about a week, I haven't felt a grand difference in how much moisture my hair is retaining. I don't know. It feels nice. It smells nice. I thought it was going to do the job. Like when I was putting it in my hair, I thought, oh, this feels really good. My hair feels nice and soft. But it just hasn't done what I would have expected it to do, especially for the price that I paid. But that's just me. It might work differently for your hair. Different strokes. Okay, so as I'm going through my hair, parting it in sections, using the Camille Rose leave-in conditioner, I'm also sealing in that moisture with the As I Am Twist Defining Cream. Now this cream, it feels nice, it smells nice, it's a little bit thick, but again, I just don't think it's caked up to be what it ought to be, especially for the price. I don't know. Maybe I'm just doing it all wrong. I may very well be changing out a few of these products. Like, I'm gonna have to experiment with some other stuff.
I'm gonna experiment with some cheaper stuff.
Honey, I pray for this. I expect the best. It's got sunflower oil, castor oil, amla oil, sugar beetroot. I mean, with all of these things in there, you would expect it to be the creme de la creme, and it just wasn't for me. I just think it could have been. Bonus products I want to speak to you about, which I didn't mention in my last video, the Oars Hair Repair Coconut and Baobab Oil. This oil smells divine. It's not got the most essential oils in it, but it is good for sealing because it has oils in it like grapeseed oil, coconut oil, baobab oil, sweet almond oil, and these are actually the oils that you want to use on your hair strands. Essential oils are fantastic, but actually they're not doing anything for your hair strands. They're better off used on your hair scalp where your hair is growing from, because as your hair is growing, it's taking in the nutrients, it's soaking into the follicles, and it's doing the job that essential oils are supposed to do therapeutically. But this oil's fantastic. It made my hair feel nice and sleek. It wasn't heavy. I love the fact that it's got a pointy tip for application purposes. It's good. I like it. Now, thank you guys for watching. As always, like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to stay updated with new content, and I will see you in the next video.